Today I'm fixing my broken Maxxum buckles, and I'm here to tell and show you everything you need to know to fix and replace yours too. For me, this all started when I wanted Barbie Maxxums, and so I spray painted them pink. They'd get stuck every time I go skating, so annoying. Then I really ruined them, painting them red to match my Christmas outfit. Dolphin had to use pliers to get me out. My finger was injured, so stuck. So lesson learned, don't ever put paint on your buckle. So first thing you need to do is buy your buckles. There's different mounting systems. It's important to buy the same as what you're replacing, or contact a skate shop or manufacturer to be sure what you're getting is compatible. This here is the cuff buckle you see because it attaches to the cuff. I just went to the Rollerblade website and found the Maxxum cuff buckle. You'll need to find your brand and model, or again, just contact a skate shop because a lot of buckles are compatible with many different boots. You just need to be sure the mounting system matches. When your buckles arrive, you're going to get a little bag of hardware, 2 little screws, 2 bigger ones, and then the receivers, which will be on the back end, they'll be screwing into. You're also going to need a Phillips. I like the Sonic tool because it has all the essential skate tools in one. Okay, time to fix it. Using the Phillips, I unscrew the strap. It comes off easy. And then I'll take my liner out because it'll make everything else so much easier to access, trust me. The buckle part, it requires some finger technique because it snaps shut, so you have to hold it open while you unscrew it. And also, this screw is a super tiny one, so focus and precision. I'm gonna be totally honest, this part can be frustrating, at least it is for me. And remember, these screws are really tiny and are easy to strip, so it's important to really push that tool in deep and get a good, strong unscrew so you don't strip it, because that could be catastrophic. On my second skate, I actually had a really hard time because it was slightly stripped, or maybe it was the paint. I don't know, but I had to really focus and be really careful. Buckle and strap are off now. It's easy to see the holes where the new ones will be put on. You'll notice 2 holes for the strap, but only 1 screw, and that's just for adjusting the length. So maybe you have a wide calf or ankle and need extra space. That's why there's 2 different options for which hole you want to screw it in. Putting the new buckle on is a little trickier than taking it off because you have to hold the receiver down in place on the inside for the screw to go in. My receiver actually got painted down somehow, so I'm lucky this time it'll stay in place, but in some cases you might even need to grab another tool to hold it still. Side note, my second skate actually somehow during the painting projects got an off-brand receiver that kept spinning when I was trying to take the buckle off, so we had to use a flathead to hold it still. Yes, that's Dolphin's hand. I told you I get frustrated with the small screws and holding everything open at the same time. Almost done here. Now I just need to put the other side of the buckle on. Little screw, turn it tight, patience, focus. And I'm all done. Brand new buckles. So these Maxxums now have a new look, and they actually look great. The wheels and bearings are also brand new, so I'm excited and about to have a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.